One of the greatest blessings of living the simple, small town life are neighbors. In rural life, neighbors often become more than just friends. They're more like family. Remember your neighbor? The one that would always come by more often than not, bearing little gifts of fruits, vegetables, or the latest creation they made in their kitchen. Such a wonderful memory. From neighbors, we learn so much. And one thing we learn are little kitchen secrets that aren't written in any book. They are known by heart. These secrets are then passed down by word of mouth and experience. Experience that not only teaches the secret itself, but also secrets about life. The joys of life. The slow life that is savored and enjoyed. No rat race, no complications. Oh, so simple. The kitchen creations are one of the greatest secrets we share with our neighbors. It is how we share our lives with them, how we share ourselves with them, and them with us. We share little secret techniques of how to prepare our special ingredients. That little twist, that little nuance of how to do this or that. Maybe not essential, but it's what makes the whole process so uniquely theirs. And now, ours too. A touch of this, a touch of that, mixed in gently, carefully, lovingly. It's pure magic that blooms into such unique and special culinary creations that can never be replicated by modernity and supposedly fast ways of today's world. In the process of sharing our little recipes, our little secret techniques with these special people, those neighbors of ours, we become even closer. We become family. This is the old way, the better way.